of unemployment. It's almost like a pan-India sense, right? So just about everyone seems to be saying, all the MPs are talking about it. What is the solution then? Do MPs have to work with the state government and also with the center to ensure that the jobs are created?
I'm very happy that Maria has brought that point about solutions, because one of the idea of having you all here and having you all in the parliament is solutions to be put forward, and I'm quite sure that with the change numbers, all those solutions government will also consider more respectfully.
Yeah, I mean that's a point I think that the whole nation, especially the youth, which is potential, for the future. We have more than 60% of our population who are youth, and especially even the northeast, where this is a big problem, the unemployment problem, not only Meghalaya but the entire northeast and also the country as a whole. Well, what I would say is that we are here, many of us are first-time MPs, and what I see is this, that I think we should keep aside some of our political ideology, our political differences, and we should look at what is the problem. And I think that all 543 of us, we are responsible to each and every person in this great country of ours. And so what I feel is that it is it's high time that we put the people first. As I always say, when people elected us, we are elected to serve those people who have elected us. In other words, we are here not to be served, but to serve. And I think if we have that kind of mindset, where we are here to serve, and to serve to the best of our ability, and I'm sure that we can really take the nation to greater heights.
Mr. Keshanani, this will be a criticism again that will come to you also now, because